I am Dr. Gopinath, HOD and Professor for Robotics and Automation Department at Karpaga Vinayaga College of Engineering and Technology, Chennai. It is my honor and privilege to introduce you the department that I lead, Robotics and Automation. Nowadays, Indian industries are moving towards Industry 4.0 smart factories. We are KVCET training our students for current and future industry needs, not only on the classroom training front, but also on the front of hands-on projects, industry visit and infrastructure. We have invested in a state-of-art innovation lab which is equipped with world-class infrastructure. This innovation has 4 wings, namely smart city, smart industry and smart home, and also has a common working area. Students are encouraged to work in the lab at any time convenient to them. We have created a beautiful open environment that encourages students open discussion, brainstorming and ideas to break the fear in our students' minds and work with them in friendly manner. The lab has collaborative seatings, projectors, dedicated Wi-Fi, discussion area and centralized AC. This kind of environment will create more bonding between students and faculty. Our students have built lot of projects, for example robot, drone, vacuum cleaners, biomass, biocards and many more. Over and above this, we have an entrepreneur cell where we train the students to become an entrepreneur. Our top management provides free space and other facilities to those young entrepreneurs. We have an MOUs with more than 10 industries and few foreign universities to acquire adequate knowledge in this field. Come join us in this fun and exciting journey of modern and high-tech learning that will step stone for your successful career.